Necropolis. And we're here with Nancy.
Hi.
Jamie.
Hi.
And I am Marty. Hi. We're supporting Necropolis home haunt here in Mutinee, Ohio, which is a small island in Lake Erie. And we're going to do a little unboxing here of another Distortions product, of course.
Surprise! Another Distortions.
And
I'm
this
excited.
is, well, we don't even know which one this is, but this is one of the monster babies. And we're about to find out which one we got.
Babies.
We pretty much ordered them all this year.
Babies.
I'm going to need more than that. No? Nancy's the master cutter.
Can't wait to see.
Maybe not. What do we got? What do we got?
It's cute.
Oh, look at it. This is Mutinee.
Oh, Mutinee. Look at his little tushy.
And Mutinee's like a little puppet style.
Yeah.
He's hollow body. Stuck in the paper or stuck in the foam or whatever.
Or your hand.
Or you can hold him like that and make him kind of like puppet. Mutinee.
Oh, he's adorable.
He's
Look at
a
his little
baby.
tushy.
He's got a little butt.
He's a baby mutant, which we have the full mutant in the garage to be part of our haunt also.
He was made in 2023.
2023. That's right. That was last year's baby.
He's
And this year, I don't know what they have this year. I think they haven't unveiled what they're going to do yet this year. Every year they do a new monster baby for Monster Day, which I want to attend. You guys should attend with them.
They should do a monster gargoyle.
He's
Cool.
cute.
Let's see that.
Where's the other baby?
And he's a little brother of Finny. Where's Finny?
Finny's right here.
Finny's over here.
Out, scissors.
Aw, look at that.
Oh, look, the brothers.
Kids are gonna love these guys.
I like it.
Yeah. Nancy doesn't drop the baby.
No, I don't drop babies.
It's not baby
I
drop.
drop dry other stuff, but I don't drop no babies. Even if they are cute.
Pretty awesome.
Oh, no baby drop. I drop
Again,
scissors.
we
So
are
cute.
East
So
Point
cute.
Necropolis.
East Point Necropolis.
Like and subscribe, and we'll see you again here very shortly.